Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find and restore deleted chats in Claude AI. This is helpful if you accidentally removed an important conversation and you want to check if there is still a way to access it again. So before starting, it is also important to know that deleted chats are not always easy to recover. So the best way to keep your Claude AI chat safe is by creating a backup before anything gets deleted. So to do this, open Claude AI and go to your profile icon at the bottom left side of the screen. And from there, click on Settings, then go to Privacy, scroll down until you see the Export Data option. Click on Export Data, and then Claude will let you download your data. So this backup can help you keep a copy of your chat so that you can still check your information later if needed. So another method that you can try here is using your browser history. So this does not work all the time, but it may help in some cases. So go to the three dots at the top right corner of your browser, then open History. After that, click Open History page and search for Claude AI. You can also look for the date when you last opened the chat or when the chat was deleted. If the old chat link is still available, clicking it might bring you back to that conversation in Claude AI. So just remember, this second method is not guaranteed. The safest and most realistic option is to export your data regularly, especially if you have important chats that you do not want to lose. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.